welcome back to MDC Beauty / my special effects corner. Today we are doing a Christmas accident. The tree fell on top of me while I was putting ornaments on it, and this is what happened. I did gelatin prosthetic. I will link it if you guys want to see it. I think I did the gelatin a little too thick because it doesn't look as realistic, but I think it still came out pretty cool. I think it looks cool. So if you guys want to see my Christmas accident, oh Christmas tree, why must you fall on top of me? Keep on watching. I'm actually going to throw this out after this video because this is kind of bad. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys have any questions on any of the products I use, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!